Have you ever encountered a deprecated property while coding and it left you scratching your head? It can be quite frustrating, especially when you're trying to keep up with the latest updates. If that's you, stick around because today we're diving into the deprecation of automatically adjusts scroll view insets in iOS 11. I totally get it. You start compiling your app for iOS 11 and suddenly you see that warning about a property being deprecated. It's a common issue that many developers face, and you're definitely not alone in this. Let's look at the specific question at hand. One user recently asked, "Is there another property to fix this warning in iOS 11?" They were concerned about how this change would affect their app and whether the default value would remain true in the future. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what does this deprecation mean for you? The automatically adjusts scroll view insets property was used to automatically adjust the scroll view's content insets based on the view controller's top bar. With its deprecation, Apple has introduced new ways to manage scroll view insets, which we will discuss. And don't go anywhere. At the end of this video, I will share a tip that will help you adapt to these changes smoothly and keep your app running perfectly. To address the deprecation of the automatically adjusts scroll view insets property, the user should start by using the new property called Additional Safe Area Insets. This property allows for more control over the safe area insets of the view. Next, the user should set the Additional Safe Area Insets property in their view controller. This can be done in the viewDidLoad method or wherever appropriate in the lifecycle of the view. Additionally, the user should ensure that they are managing the scroll view's content inset and scroll indicator insets properties. This will help maintain the desired layout and scrolling behavior. Finally, the user should test their layout to confirm that the changes have resolved the warning and that the scroll view behaves as expected. This can be done by running the app and checking the scroll view's appearance. Fun fact, did you know that the term deprecated comes from the Latin word deprecare, which means to pray against? In programming, it means that a feature is discouraged from use, but it doesn't mean it's gone just yet. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative solution provided by a user is to adjust the content inset behavior for your table view. They suggest using the property Content Inset Adjustment Behavior and setting it to UI Scroll View Content Inset Adjustment Never. Here's the tip I promised. Always check the latest Apple documentation for updates on deprecated properties. Staying informed will help you adapt your code and avoid warnings in the future. And there you have it. You now know how to handle the deprecation of automatically adjust scroll view insets in iOS 11. Remember, keeping your code updated is crucial for smooth app performance. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.